Surprise! Hello, hello. My name is Carmencita, and you may recognize these fabulous nails from Lilac Street's Facebook page. That's right, ladies. I am the newest member of the Lilac Street Lash team. Woo woo! 2-second celebration shimmy. Yes! Okay, so my lash journey begins with a Facebook group that introduced me to Lilac Street, and I tried their lashes and I loved them, and they were affordable and their customer service was amazing that I just said, I have to come work with this company. So here we are. And while that's awesome for me, you're probably wondering what that means for you. Well, let me tell you. What that means is you get to see me doing tutorials and showing you tips and tricks to help you get the most out of your lashes so you can look fabulous every day. So let's get started. Some of you have already received our new packaging. Yay! And I'm going to show you what I do to get my lash segments out safely and in one piece. Take whatever tweezer or applicator you're using to apply your lashes and gently slide it under the lash segment and lift and flip up. Slide it under, lift, and flip up. Under and flip up. Then you can turn your packaging over and gently tug the lashes off of the packaging, like so. Voila!